Hi, in this video I will write a Python script which, if executed, it captures the current screenshot of your screen on your computer. So, capturing screenshots through Python. The script is very short. In total, it's 3 lines of code. So all you have to do is from MSS import MSS. So MSS is a third-party Python library which you need to install from the terminal with pip install MSS. Then all you have to do is open a with context manager and say with MSS, so that function as screen. So this is just a variable, you can write whatever you like, and then that variable dot shot given an output argument equal to something like screenshot.png. So that's the path to the generated file. Screen.shot output, yeah. So just execute this and you should be able to see a screenshot. Now on Windows this will work right away, but if you are on Mac you probably will see this empty screen. So normally I should see the IDE shown on the screenshot, but this didn't happen because on Mac you have to turn on permissions in the security settings. To do that you go to the Apple icon, go to System Preferences and search for Securities and Privacy Settings, and then go to the Privacy tab and then go to the Recording section, the screen recording section here, and then press that lock, give the password, and then what you want to do here is you want to add your IDE among these programs. In my case, I'm using PyCharm, so I want to allow PyCharm to take screenshots. So I press that plus button, and you want to go to the Applications folder where PyCharm is. So PyCharm, in my case, it could be Visual Studio Code in your case or other IDE. And this says that I have to quit and reopen PyCharm. So that will restart PyCharm. And then I can try and run again the code. And check screenshot.png. It needed a few seconds to refresh. So that's a new image. That's a current screenshot at the time of the script execution. So in the settings now, PyCharm should be added here and checked with this checkbox here. And that's the complete code for this script. So thank you.